send an automated WhatsApp message, something like this, to all customers I have in this spreadsheet. And do you think I'm going to do this manually? No. I am just going to go towards this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and then click on this send all data. And then automatically an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to all the customers. You don't believe it, right? You just have to open your WhatsApp, and as you can see, this automated WhatsApp message is sent to smart user, dummy user, demo user, test customer, new customer, and to each one I had in my Google Sheets. And yes, this is no magic, and this is the power of automation which we're going to learn in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business too, then watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free like this. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code, which is RITYT, to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. You just have to go towards the plans, go on this buy it now, enter your details, enter your card details, and click on this have a coupon. The coupon code which is attached right over here, just type the same, which is RITYT, and click on this apply, and this coupon code is applied successfully. Using this coupon code, you can get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, you have to click on this button which says add trigger. Now for the trigger application, search for Google Sheets right over here and select Google Sheets. Alright, so as you can see, now for the event, you have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive this webhook URL. Just copy this webhook URL, open your Google Sheets, go on this extensions, then you have to go on this add-ons and then get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Alright, so let's search for it, and as you can see, the same. You have to install this extension. As you can see, I have already installed this extension. Now after installing this extension, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. It is very important that you refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks right over here in the extensions tab. Once you see this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. Now it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for the webhook URL, you just have to paste this URL which you received in your workflow. So just copy and paste it right over here. Now for the trigger column, enter the trigger column. So for me, the trigger column is D, but for you, it can be anything else too. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. Alright, so for me, I want to send 4 details. So the trigger column is D. If you want to send 3 details, it will be C, and so on. After this, you have to click on this submit, and once we're going to click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. We have successfully created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just go back towards your sheets and click on this send test. Now the test data is sent successfully towards our workflow. What is this test data? The first row of the spreadsheet. So now let's open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for this first row right over here. So let's wait, and you're going to see we have successfully captured this response. Now let's send an automated WhatsApp message to this one first. For that, you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I am going to use Pabbly chat flow in order to send automated WhatsApp messages. You can use any another application too. It totally depends upon you. Pabbly supports most of them like AI Sensi, VAT. If you want to use WhatsApp Cloud API, we have that too. For the event, you have to select it as send text message and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Pabbly chat flow and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this token. So to get this token, just open your Pabbly chat flow dashboard from the left end of the side, go on the settings, and then you have to go towards this API and webhooks. You're going to find this API token, so just copy this API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this API token, click on the save. After you click on the save, your Pabbly Chatflow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to enter the recipient WhatsApp number. Alright, so the number of my recipient, we have received that in the response of a previous step, so let's enter it. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. Make sure to include the country code too. So this is a dummy number. I'm just going to keep it as same right now. Further, I'll just let you know what we have to do. Now for the WhatsApp message, I'm going to use the same WhatsApp message which I sent. So let's just copy this WhatsApp message from here. And after we copy this WhatsApp message, we're going to paste it right over here. And now in this WhatsApp message, I'm just going to first of all correct the formatting. And now you can see we have successfully entered this WhatsApp message. Now in front of this hello, I'm going to map the name of the lead or the customer. So let's search for name and map the first name, put a space, and then map the last name. Alright, now after mapping all the details, let's move on further. It is asking me for the name. So let's once again map the name. So I'm going to search for the name, map the first name, put a space. Once again, let's map the last name and move on further. It is saying opt-in, select it as yes. It is saying incoming blocked, select it as no. It is saying tags to removes and tags to add. So if you wish, you can definitely add or remove some tags over here. Same goes for the key. If you want it, you can definitely edit it. Otherwise, just click on the save and send test request. But before we click on the save and send test request, I'll just let you know that this is a dummy phone number. So I am going to replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. After replacing this number, let's click on the save and send test request. And now once we're going to click on the save and send test request, you can see that we have received a positive response that we have successfully sent this message. So let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see we have successfully sent one new message, which is to smart user. But our objective was to send an automated message to all the ones who I had in this spreadsheet. So how you can do this? For that, you have to go to this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on this send all data. All the data will be sent towards your workflow, and then automated WhatsApp message will be sent to all the customers like I showed you in the starting of this video. So easy, right? Now what you can do is, if you want that when you add new details, WhatsApp message should be sent to them too, then you have to go towards this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks. Make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. Then automatically whenever new event is going to occur in your spreadsheet, the WhatsApp message is going to send towards that customer too. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and not only Pabbly Connect, also of Pabbly Chatflow. So you can try Pabbly Chatflow and Connect together for free today. And once you like it, we have a special discount coupon code which you can use for Connect as well as for Chatflow too. So go and try this amazing automation, and while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.